Hi, Mark Reedy here. Just wanted to show you a newer report added in version 4.6.27.000 called Repairs Completed Totals by Equipment. And so this is information pulled from the Repairs Completed tab if you're using that. And so I'm going to go over here to Reports, More Reports, choose Report Type Repairs Completed. And then we got this one down here called Repairs Completed Totals by Equipment. And I can just click on Preview there. And what it does, it shows me the equipment number, who the customer is, and then the total repairs completed for that piece of equipment over the time frame you chose, and the total cost. And then you've got the overall cost for the report down below. And if you just wanted to see a specific piece of equipment, you could choose it here. You need to choose it on both sides. So there's that one piece of equipment, and then you can use a date range if you want to. And we know these ones were done in 2019, so I'm just going to say 1/1/2019 through, I think this was in April. But those were entered in there. So we have those 6 in there, and you can sort it by equipment number or by equipment sort order number, which is the numeric value you can assign to each piece of equipment to sort it numerically rather than alpha numerically. All right, hopefully that's helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Take care.